Here's the app called WAMP AI Canvas. Edit anything. So AI editing app. Let's check it out. Edit anything with the tab. As you can see here, an example. Load an image. Tap anything. Select. Describe your edit. Works like magic. Style anything. Edit anything. And then yeah, you can just open it up and let's create an account in here. Here's the account. It's a bit glitchy, as you can see. I'm just sharing everything in real time in here. All right, so now it works. You can skip all of this onboarding. You can just start editing. Oopsie, and then it quits itself. So then yeah, you can then just choose from library. So let's check it out. So for example, I just have like this photo. So how it works, I just have this brush and then describe your edit. And then you just enter a prompt or add reference image. And then, yeah, for example, let's see how it works. Just like starting from simple edits. Maybe it's actually the future of photo editing, you know, using these prompts. So just takes some time. As you can see, I didn't need to upgrade yet, so seems it's working kind of in the free version. Maybe it's all right. Nope, that's not what I wanted. So it's just added some kind of guy. Add an animal dog. Maybe this is some kind of a meme app. So here it is, kind of that's the result. So something like that. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's a start in here. So, and then if you want, you can upgrade yearly or monthly $4. So that's the idea. There is trial. In trial, you have 8 images. There is your username, and then there are some promo codes, which I don't know where to get it, but there are some promo codes. And by default, you have 10 images for free, so pretty good offer. So super easy to use app, but I think it definitely needs some work, and it's just like it's just a start. Maybe they will make it better.